In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to properly present PowerPoint slides in Microsoft Teams. This is perfect for online meetings, virtual classes, and professional presentations where clarity and control matter. By the end, you'll know the best way to share your slides, how to keep your audience focused, and what to do if something doesn't go as planned. Before you start, take a minute to prep. Make sure your PowerPoint file is finalized and saved so you don't lose changes mid-presentation. Use the Microsoft Teams desktop app for the smoothest performance, and close any unnecessary apps to reduce distractions and free up system resources. Your computer and your audience will thank you. The most polished method is PowerPoint Live. First, join or start your meeting in Microsoft Teams. In the meeting controls, click Share. Look for the PowerPoint Live section and select your presentation. If you don't see it, click Browse and upload it from your computer or from OneDrive. Your slides will open directly inside Teams, so everything stays in one place and looks great on everyone's screen. PowerPoint Live has several advantages. You can view your speaker notes privately while your audience only sees the slide. You can also see meeting participants as you present, making it easier to read the room and engage. Attendees can even move through slides on their own if you allow it, which is helpful for review moments. Animations and transitions are handled smoothly, keeping your delivery professional. If you prefer or need to, you can share your screen instead. Click Share, then choose Window and select your PowerPoint, or choose Screen to share your entire display. Start the slideshow in PowerPoint by pressing F5 or clicking from Beginning. A quick tip, use window sharing rather than full screen sharing to avoid showing pop-up notifications or desktop clutter. Presenter View is your backstage pass. It shows your notes, the next slide, and a timer, while participants see only the full slideshow. This layout helps you stay organized, manage pacing, and present with confidence. A few best practices go a long way. Use PowerPoint Live whenever possible. Mute notifications before you present. Use a headset for clearer audio. Speak clearly, pause between slides, and avoid reading verbatim. Use your slides as prompts, not a script. If issues pop up, here are quick fixes. If slides aren't showing, reshare using PowerPoint Live. If participants can't hear you, check your microphone settings. If you notice lag, close unused apps and reduce heavy animations. That's how to present PowerPoint slides in Microsoft Teams professionally and smoothly. If this helped, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Teams and PowerPoint tips. Thanks for watching.